Hello, I'm Mayur and welcome to Mayur Projects. In this video, I'm going to show you the project which I created using Flask and OpenWeather API. The project is a weather app in which when we enter any city name, it will give us back its temperature, humidity, longitude and latitude. So basically, it will give us the weather condition and position of that particular city. So let's see how it works. So here's the code for weather app. Okay, so this is the URL for Open Weather Map, in which we will pass the city name and it will give us back the weather condition of that city in JSON format, which is then passed to the index.html template. Okay, so now let's run server and see it. Okay, one more thing. Here I have opened up temperature references of two cities. So that we can compare it with the data which we received. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do let me know. I have given my email address in description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.